Barndominiums are the cheapest way to build a custom home in 2025. I talk to hundreds of people every month that want to build a barndominium, and rightfully so. So if that's you and you're looking to build a barndominium, then you need to know a few facts about barndominiums. So let's start out with how you build them and then talk about how you get them financed. So how you build them, if you haven't already figured out so far, there's 3 different ways in order to construct a barndominium. Either post frame, metal frame, or wood frame. The most common of these is going to be your metal frame construction. That means typically you're going to hire a barndominium or a metal fabricator. You're going to pick a shell and they will build it in what they call dry it in. So that means you're getting the shell, the pad that it's going on, and all the windows and doors, all of that. So you have a building setting on a pad. Then you have to hire a contractor, a general contractor, in order to finish out the interior. On the post frame side, you can do this with just a pole barn, right? 4 poles and a roof on a concrete pad. And they start there and then they frame it in and then go from there on the interior, just like with the metal shell. But what a lot of people don't realize is you can actually build a barndominium just like a regular standard stick-built home, just out of wood construction, 2x4 or 2x6 frame, just like a regular home. And it would look exactly like your metal frame. You would wrap it with metal siding and a metal roof, and it would look the same. And a lot of people want to go this option, and sometimes that may be the cheapest option depending on where you are located. So those are the 3 options as far as to how to construct it. Now let's talk about how to get them financed. So first of all, if you're going with a local bank, just know that most of the time a local bank don't do barndominiums. Typically, they're also usually only going to do a construction loan to buy the land first, put your 20% down, go back with your construction loan and put another 20% down. A lot of times they'll want additional reserves in that bank and all that in order to get that financing, which is fine. It's a great way in order to do it if that's how you want to do it. But a lot of times people want to go the easy route and the cheapest route. And if you want to do that, then you have to go with a mortgage lender like myself that can do a one-time close construction loan. And with that, that means you can buy the land, go under contract, you can pick a builder, barno builder, metal frame, wood frame, general contractor, etc. And we put all of those pieces together and close at the same time, okay? So with me, we don't have any problem doing barndominiums, whether it's a pole barn, whether it's metal shell, or whether it's wood frame. We do all of the above. I would call us a specialist when it comes to barndominium home construction one-time close loans. So just make sure you know the facts, how you want to construct it, pick out a plan if you can, and then know what lender you want to use to finance it, and you will be on the path to getting your barndominium built in 2025.